I just recently picked up this Honda PA50 II Moped from one of my buddies who's a picker, and basically this is how I picked it up. You can see it's obviously missing the flywheel cover. The two side covers, they're either gray or black. This thing's a 1979 model. It's the PA52, so it's a little bit of a faster version. It's got about 3,500 miles on it, which is, you know, pretty standard mileage for these mopeds. The headlight bucket, you can see, unfortunately, it's got a crack in it, that bezel. Those things are super hard to find uncracked. You know, the metal has surface rust on the rims. It's missing the floorboard. Someone rigged it up with just 2 pieces of wood, which literally floorboards, I guess. That works, and there's, you know, some aftermarket pedals put on there, so that's all right. The long seat looks pretty decent, so that's a good part on this bike. Tail light's intact. You know, variator, all that's still on there, obviously. Tank has a little wrinkle in it over here. The ignition switch has been damaged, it looks like, so that's damaged as well. But I mean, basically probably what, like a 95% complete bike. So either I'll be getting this thing running. On these bikes here, the carburetor's actually underneath, between the frame and the engine. It's kind of hard to see it there. So you know, you actually have to undo these shocks and lift up the back end to clean the carburetor. So probably give that a shot, get this thing going, and sell it in the spring. If there's any interest in this thing, you can shoot me an email at RustBeltCycleParts@gmail.com, and we can go from there. Alright, thanks for watching.